Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers, and on this day in 1994, Innoventions at EPCOT held its official grand opening. The area had been open to the public since July 1st. Housed in East and West buildings, the attraction featured rotating showcases of technological advancements. An opening day exhibit highlighted Sega consoles, games, and prototype virtual reality in an arcade setting. Innoventions replaced CommuniCore and then was itself replaced by CommuniCore Hall and World Celebration in 2024. Hard to believe that Innoventions opened 30 years ago this year. Pretty crazy, huh? Anyway, have a magical day!